Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review Be Body Wise as a brand, and I'm very excited because unknowingly I have actually brought so many products from Be Body Wise and I have absolutely loved it. So I really wanted to speak about the products that I absolutely love. So let's quickly get started, and I am very happy because this video is going to be super informative. So the number one product I have is this one right here, and just look at the condition of this product. This looks absolutely not too great, but this is their 1% salicylic acid body wash, and this is to prevent body acne and to exfoliate dead skin cells. I don't even know how many bottles of these I have actually finished. This is so good. So if you're someone who has strawberry skin, like you have like little bumps on your leg, on your knees, which is like pokey, you can actually use this because it really helps to exfoliate that. It has really helped me in terms of strawberry skin, and also you can use this like every day to exfoliate, so it is not very harsh. It has like very tiny beads to it, which will gently exfoliate everything, and your skin will feel super soft. So I really like this product. I'm just going to quickly show you how this looks. I'm so sorry, but this looks like I've used it so much, and this is like such a big bottle. I have like loved it like so much. And also I'll just tell you that this is paraben and sulfate free, and also alcohol free. So I really love the way Be Body Wise is working as a brand. They are like, some of their products are like stunning. So let's move to another favorite. So the next product I have is their 10% AHA body scrub. Again, this is used to exfoliate the dead skin cells and to remove the ingrown hair and tan. And this is supposed to be used only once a week and not more than that. This is again in a very great condition that you can see. It is something it looks like. So they've already mentioned that you're going to see results with consistency after 3 months. So like I always say, consistency is the key. So use the product, complete the product, and see if you can see any result. Don't use it for like a week or two and then say this product isn't working, because honestly it is not gonna work. You really have to give it time and have a lot of patience. So speaking about this product, it really helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells. I actually use this underarms, on my elbow, on my knees, and also on my feet. You can actually use it all across the body, but I try and target like the pigmented area, then it really helps. My elbow right here is very dark. Like it was actually very dark even last year, but I think is it is at a very good condition right now because it has lightened up pretty much very nicely. So I really like on how this one performs. So another stunner. So let's move to another product. So the recent launch that they did was about this roll-on, and this is something it looks like, and this is their 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on. This is basically to control the body odor, and also it really helps to reduce pigmentation. It's about 3 weeks that I've been using this, and I see a slight difference in my underarms. I Let me just tell you and be very honest that my underarms are like so damn dark because I am a very hairy girl, plus I am a very sweaty baby because I sweat way too much. And then the body odor, because there is summers and everything, so it is really crazy. So I really love this and how it is performing on my skin right now, basically my underarm. So I really like that part of it. But having said that, I am going to give a detailed review post 2 to 3 months once I get to understand if this is working or no. I just use this roll on every day after I take shower. But please do not use it once you shave or wax, because that time your skin tends to be super super irritating, and if you apply any perfume or any roll on, it is going to just burn. So be very very careful about it. And yes, it really helped me with the odor part though. It doesn't I used to smell also really bad, and that's the reason I used to take 2 times shower. But I think with time it has reduced. The smell have like reduced. It really keeps the odor in control. But with the pigmentation part, it has like slightly reduced, but with consistency, let's see if it works or no. So I'll be making like a detailed video, but I'm really happy about this launch, and I'm very very excited only because it had like 4% AHA and VHAs, which really helps in terms of exfoliation. So let's see if this works or no. Okay, so the last product I have is a sunscreen. Now they have few sunscreen, but my favorite is the Body Wise Ultra Light Sunscreen with an SPF 50 plus with a PA plus plus plus. So I love the fact that it actually comes with an anti-acne technology, which means it is also suitable for people who have acne prone skin, and also it has zero white cast. That I completely agree. We actually did like a challenge of 3 seconds, because this sunscreen actually claims that it can observe or glide into the skin within 3 seconds, and it will be just gone. There'll be no white cast. So we did like a test, and I was so blown away. I've actually made like a reel on it. You can probably go and I mean a short on it. So you can probably go and watch the shots. It was so so good. I've also reviewed and given my first impression. But it's been few weeks that I've been using this, and I absolutely love it. It is very very lightweight, non-creasy, it doesn't feel sticky. It's super light on the skin, and I absolutely love it because it is such a stunner product. And having said that, the most important bit is I was looking for something which is very lightweight, just gets into the skin and doesn't penetrate into the bloodstream, which means that I was looking for a new age filter sunscreen, and this is a new age filter sunscreen. It doesn't penetrate inside your blood cell. It basically is on top of the skin to protect you from UVA and UVB rays. That's very very important. It also doesn't disrupt your hormones. Let me just put it across to you if you haven't seen my previous video. So old age sunscreen filters actually goes inside your skin and then goes into your bloodstream and then disrupts your hormones. So if you have like, if you're in your fertility journey, or if you're trying to conceive, and if you're in your pregnancy, old age sunscreen is something that you have to avoid, because it will disturb your hormone, and sometimes it is really not good for the child as well. So my thought process was, if it is not good for the child, how is it even good for me? So I was looking for something which has new age filters. However, it should be a clean product. And when this was launched, I read the ingredient. It was so cool. And they have actually come with so many certificates on how the testing was done. And I have made like a detailed video about it, which I'm gonna pop right here, I believe. So you can go check that out as well. So this sunscreen is something that would be like a staple for summer, because it is so so lightweight, and it doesn't you know it doesn't feel that you're wearing a sunscreen. It is so lightweight, so I really really love it. And yes, with that, these are the few products that I bought from Be Body Wise, and I absolutely love it. And I think I'm going to make more such videos in the future. So if you like this video, you know the drill, and just put your favorite product in the comments from the brand Be Body Wise. I would love to see what all you love from this brand. And yes, with that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.